is going on, everyone? It's Gia here representing JiasWorld. Black Girl Magic. Shout out to my cousin for this amazing t-shirt. Love you, cuz. And I'm back with another unboxing. Priority mail. This is from the Starter Pack Company, based out of Flint, Michigan. Shout out to David Washington. Let's get into this unboxing from the Starter Pack. What is in here? Let's see. Nice packaging. First thing we pull out looks like a t-shirt. Second thing we pull out is another t-shirt in black. And it looks like we got a beanie. Shout out to the Starter Pack. Nice packaging. Let's open the beanie first. It is a black beanie, and here is the logo symbol on the beanie. Starter Pack. Okay, and this, well, actually this is a navy. I don't have any lights on in here because it is super hot today in Flint, Michigan, but this is a navy color. Okay, next thing.
Hey ho, on the road again, moving on.
Right. We got, let me make sure I get the right color. This is a black medium t-shirt from the Starter Pack Company, Peace. And it has a bird flying right there on the breast side. On the back you see the Starter Pack logo. And the final unboxing, another t-shirt.
Forward. Sticking stones won't break bones. We're in the car.
A white medium t-shirt from the Starter Pack with a very dope design. Okay, kind of gives you that tribal look, like African spiritual, Native American, very tribal, indigenous look with a king's hat crown on it. Really dope. This is a medium and white, and then on the back, Starter Pack Company. So that has been my unboxing for the Starter Pack again. Shout out to David Washington, founder, creator, and owner of the Starter Pack Company, local entrepreneur, artist, activist, great round person in Flint, Michigan. So shout out to David Washington. Shout out to the Starter Pack Company. I will list their links in the description box below if you would like to purchase some Starter Pack Company clothing. It is a dope brand. Check it out. Until the next time, make sure you guys thumbs up the video and click that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post new content. Deuces.